I'm the Conscious Crafter, and today I have a video on how to make homemade dishwasher soap. It is a recipe from Kelly at mansmooring.com blog, and it is using ingredients you can find in the grocery store. Let's get started. It normally makes 4 to 5 cups, but today we are doubling it. You will need 6 lemons sliced with seeds removed, and then you will need 28 ounces of water. You will need to place those in your high-speed blender and blend until smooth. Blend it to smooth. You'll need to pour it into a large soup pot, along with 8 ounces of white vinegar and 2 cups of table salt. Stir that around. And then you will need to heat this until it is just below boiling and keep that for 10 to 15 minutes. And then I will see you in 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, now once it's finished, you want to take it off the heat and let it cool slightly. Now if you don't have a high-speed blender, you can use a cheesecloth or a strainer to take out all the large chunks. Once it is cooled, you can now put it in a mason jar or a glass airtight container. For watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you guys. Bye.